I don't know about you guys, pero grabe ako mag-dysmenorrhea. Grabe talaga. Shout out sa mga nagdi-dysmenorrhea dyan. Isa kayong katipunera. Isa tayong ipaglalaban ko kayo hanggang sa machugi ako. Kasi grabe talaga ang pinaghirapan. Kung alam niyo lang, I don't even know kung napalata siya sa bahay ni Kuya sa live stream. Pero I became so stressed, and actually it pains me so much. Dysmenorrhea gives me hard time talaga, like every single month. So it's important for me to take care of it. Like, for example, what I feel, and that goes to show what I use, what products I use every single month. Kasi kung hindi alam yung, kung mabilis ka lang, malakas na nga ang, you know, tapos, pwede ba ito sabihin? Di ba, malakas yung ano mo. Tapos, ang pangit-pangit pa ng ginamit ko, madali na mapuno ba? Siyempre, mas magdidali siya ng stress sa'yo, mas magbibigay siya ng hardship sa'yo, and it's like stressing you out. It's causing a lot of stress, and we don't need that. We just want to be pretty. So with the products, of course, with them, parang not just that. Of course, the daily, you know, sanitary that we use. Di ko alam kung pwede ba sabihin yung mga word. Pwede naman, di ba? The daily products that we use every single day, it's just important because you feel refreshed, and when you feel refreshed, you actually can you know, spread energy to a lot of people. So it's like a boomerang effect. So pag masarap yung feeling mo, masarap din yung feeling ng mga tao sa paligid.